If you've been injured as a result of a slip and fall accident on someone else's property, and the owner of that property is responsible for causing the accident, you probably know that you are eligible to recover monetary compensation. This includes medical expenses, loss of income, and loss of earning capacity, among other things. But what many victims of slip and fall accidents in Florida do not realize is that they might be able to receive compensation for their non-economic damages, such as pain and suffering and emotional distress. While it's relatively easy to determine the dollar value of your medical expenses, putting a value on your pain and suffering is not something you should do without an Aventura slip and fall accident attorney and a qualified medical professional by your side. Today, let's figure out how you may be entitled to recover pain and suffering damages after a slip and fall accident. We'll discuss economic versus non-economic damages in a slip and fall accident. Determining the value of your economic damages is not that difficult, since all these expenses and losses are documented with receipts or simple formulas. Calculating the loss of income as a result of a bodily injury is not all that hard either, as all you have to do is use a simple formula to find out how much money you could have earned had you not been injured. Non-economic, such as pain and suffering, is a little bit harder, because those are the intangible costs that do not carry a specific monetary value, which is why you need an experienced slip and fall accident attorney in Aventura and competent expert witnesses to put a dollar value on the extent of mental, emotional, and psychological pain the accident and injury has caused you. Let's discuss pain and suffering damages in a settlement offer. While most people think that insurance companies will do the calculations by themselves, here's what you need to know about insurance companies in Florida. Frankly, all of them are dishonest and unfair, and they could not care less about your well-being or best interests. Yes, there might be pain and suffering damages listed as part of a settlement offer presented by the insurance company, but is usually much lower than what you truly deserve. To ensure that you are getting the compensation you truly deserve, consult with a skilled Aventura slip and fall lawyer. How much in pain and suffering can I actually recover? In some cases, pain and suffering and other mental, psychological, and emotional damages are not all that large and may bring hundreds of dollars in compensation, while in other, more serious and severe cases, you might be able to recover tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in compensation for your pain and suffering. It's all related to the severity of your injuries and how much mental, physical, and psychological pain it has caused you. Here are two tried and true methods experienced slip and fall lawyers use to calculate the value of your pain and suffering damages. Two of them are the multiplier method and the per diem method. In the multiplier method, your Aventura slip and fall accident attorney will add up all of your economic damages and multiply that number by a multiple, which usually ranges between 1.5 and 4. On the other hand, in the per diem method, your lawyer will determine a certain amount of money that you should receive every single day until the day you reach full recovery. Get a free consultation by contacting Neufeld, Kleinberg & Pinkert today. Let our skilled attorneys calculate your pain and suffering damages, help you recover the maximum compensation. Call our offices at 305-931-6666 or 954-523-8292, or fill out a contact form on our website, www.neufeldlawfirm.com.